welcome to the new video. Today we'll start the new chapter, Life in the Temperate Grasslands. Now the grasslands basically like known as the steppes, prairies, sarais. So there are different types of grasslands which are found on every continent. And they also provide us, they are the regions, they provide us with the diversity of life. So like you can say, we can find the grasslands, also the different plant species. So they all are found over there. So now to know about the different types of grasslands which are found in the different continents, we'll have to start the chapter. So let's begin. Lesson 6, Life in the Temperate Grasslands. Now name the given pictures of animals. Like this is monkey, bear. So like this you have to write. Now as the name indicates, the temperate grasslands, they are found in temperate zone में होगा. जब temperate grasslands है तो temperate zone of the both hemispheres. These grasslands are given different names. इनको दिए जाते हैं in different continents. इनको steppes कहा जाता है in Eurasia. Why it is called Eurasia means Europe plus Asia. Prairies in North America, USA and Canada. Pampas in South America, that is Argentina. Velds in South Africa and Downs in Australia. We will study about the prairies as an example of temperate grasslands. Now the location, prairies extend from the mid-southern part of Canada up to mid-west of United States of America. So, जो prairies है grassland वो extend है कहाँ से mid-southern part of Canada से लेकर mid-west of United States of America. Three prairie provinces of Canada are Alberta, Manitoba and that is Saskatchewan. So, in the United States of America, Mississippi, Missouri rivers they flow through the prairies. अब जो prairies के through जो rivers flow करती हैं United States of America में USA में है Mississippi and Missouri rivers जो हैं वो इस prairies grasslands के through flow करती हैं. Facts. Most of the people in Canada live in southern part में रहते हैं because northern part Canada का covered होता है ice से ज़्यादातर पूरे साल. Climate of the prairies is of extreme type का है, warm in summer but quite cold in winter. It is because they are located far from the sea coast से बहुत दूर होते हैं क्योंकि annual range जो है temperature का is very high. In the Canadian prairies, the water temperature is far below the freezing point से काफी below होता है. However, the prairie region of United States of America वो इतना ठंडा नहीं होता है winters में. Rainfall is moderate. Total annual rainfall vary करता है 30 and 60 centimeters के बीच. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation consists of mainly tall as well as short grasses. Grasses make good fodder for the cattle and other animals. Grasses जो होती हैं वो soft and nutritive होती हैं. Grasses are green in spring and but dry हो जाती हैं by the autumn and gradually वो एक घास फूस में hay में बदल जाती हैं जो in the after autumn. So since the roots remain buried in the snow, तो they crop up in spring. जो जड़ें होती हैं ना वो जड़ें तो हमेशा रहती हैं उसके अंदर, जड़ से तो नहीं खत्म होती, वो तो जो ऊपर के एरिया होता है बाहर वो वाली सूख जाती है और वो हट जाती है. तो जो स्नो के अंदर जो उनकी रूट्स होती हैं दे क्रॉप अप, वो दोबारा से ग्रो जाती है स्प्रिंग सीजन में. तो दिस रीजन इज नॉट सो रिच इन वाइल्ड लाइफ, लेकिन ये रीजन वाइल्ड लाइफ में रिच नहीं होता है. हाउएवर सम बिग एनिमल्स फाउंड इन दिस रीजन आर, कौन कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं बड़े बड़े? बाइसन्स, ग्रिजली बेयर्स, एंटीलोप्स, फॉक्सेस, वाइल्ड हॉर्सेस एंड प्रेरी डॉग्स. The small animals found in this region, they are squirrels, hedgehogs. They hibernate, that is sleep during winter. Kuch typical birds of this region are golden eagle, hawk, falcon, quail. Life of the people. Main occupation of the people living in prairies are extensive farming and ranching. Agriculture farms very large होते हैं. Major food cereal जो grown होता है इस region में that is wheat. Canada and United States of America leading wheat producing है and exporting countries of the world. Other crops grown in this region है oats, barley, rice and flax. All the farming activities जो carried out होती हैं with the help of machines की help से होती हैं. Samples of soil they are sent to the laboratories which guide the farmers, जो farmers को guide करती हैं about the type of fertilizers to be added to the soil. Productions for hectare is quite high. जो जितना प्रोडक्शन हेक्टेयर्स में दैट इज बहुत ही हाई प्रोडक्शन होता है. फार्मर्स हैव ऑल द मॉडर्न फैसिलिटीज हैं उनके फार्म्स पर इंक्लूडिंग फैसिलिटीज ऑफ स्टोरिंग द ग्रेन्स. रेयरिंग कैटल ऑन वेरी बिग फार्म दैट इज रैंचिंग. कि आप कैटल को भी रेयर कर रहे हो, बड़े बड़े फार्म्स में फार्मिंग भी कर रहे हो और कैटल वगैरह भी रखा हुआ है, एनिमल्स को रखा हुआ है, रेयर करना, दैट इज रैंचिंग। कैटल आर रेयर्ड फॉर मिल्क के लिए, मीट के लिए, तो दे मिल्क एक्सपोर्ट द मिल्क को एक्सपोर्ट भी करते हैं, मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स को एक्सपोर्ट किया जाता है एंड मीट टू अदर कंट्रीज। कैटल आर फेड ऑन न्यूट्रिशियस फॉडर, उनको एक अच्छा खाना मतलब चारा जो वो लोग खाती हैं उनको अच्छा दिया जाता है। स्पेशल ग्रासेस अल्फाफा एंड क्लोव्स आर ग्रोन फॉर द कैटल। तो ये कुछ स्पेशल ग्रासेस होती हैं जो बेसिकली कैटल्स के लिए ही ग्रो की जाती है ताकि उनको अच्छी डाइट मिल सके। पीपल ऑफ द प्रेरीज लेड अ वेरी लग्जूरियस लाइफ, दे टेक अ रिच हेल्दी डाइट लेते हैं। ओपनिंग ऑफ कैनेडियन पैसिफिक रेलवे, ट्रांस कॉन्टिनेंटल रेलवे, दैट हैज कंट्रीब्यूटेड अ लॉट, बहुत उन्होंने कंट्रीब्यूट किया इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस ऑफ कैनेडियन प्रेरीज में। Main cities of this region are Winnipeg, Canada, Oklahoma, Osmaha, and Chicago, USA. Chicago, it is famous for meat packing industry. Points to learn: temperate grasslands are found in temperate zones of both hemispheres and in all continents. They are given different names in different continents. Temperate grasslands of North America, they are called prairies. They extend from mid-southern part of Canada up to mid-west of United States of America. Climate of prairies is of extreme type. It gets moderate rainfall. Natural vegetation consists of nutritive grasses. Main occupation of the people are extensive farming and ranching. Wheat, dairy products and meat main products है इस region के. Let's work out objective type questions. Tick the correct option. Prairies is the name of the temperate grasslands of USA. The temperate grasslands, they get moderate rainfall. The small animals found in prairies sleep during the winter. One of the big animals found in the prairie region is bison. The main food cereal grown in the prairie region is that is wheat. Let's do fill in the blanks. The climate of the prairies is of continental type. The very big farms on which cattle are reared, they are called ranches. The sturdy young men who look after the ranches in the prairies, they are called the cowboys. Total amount of rainfall in the prairies is 50 and 75 centimeters. The Dash Railway has contributed a lot in the progress of Canadian prairies, that is Canadian Railway. Let's do the true and false. Temperate grasslands are found only in the northern hemisphere, that is false. Many people in the temperate grasslands led a nomadic life. False. Chicago is famous for meat packing industry, that is true. Winnipeg is the main city of prairies of Canada, true. Prairies is the name given to all temperate grasslands of the world, false. Now, let's match the following. Steppes is in Australia, prairies is in Eurasia, pampas is in South America, veld, South Africa, and downs is in North America. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. Go through it again, do the exercises. We'll meet in the next video. Stay focused and stay motivated. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.